everyone, today's product in focus is the reusable silicone baking cups that I bought at Amazon. I use this product for my Halloween chocolate cupcakes. So let's take a look at its features. The box contains 24 pieces, so that's a big check for me. And another big check is that the colors are really vibrant. Who wouldn't be excited in baking muffins or cupcakes in those really colorful baking cups? I'm sure you will. So let's take a look at its dimensions. The baking cups are 1.38 inches tall, 2 inches wide at the base, and 3 inches wide at the top. The silicone material is of good quality. It's flexible, it's kind of thick, and what I love about it is that it's lightweight. So that's another big check for me. You also don't need to brush it with oil or use cooking spray. All you have to do is pour in the batter and you're ready to put it in the oven and bake. Another great feature is that the cake can be easily removed from the baking cup. You just need to peel off the sides and it's ready to frost or serve. I haven't actually tried putting it in dishwasher yet. That's why I put a question mark there. So what I did was wash it off with running water and then just brush it off and use a kitchen toothbrush, not your personal toothbrush please, to just brush off the sides and remove the residue. So it was pretty easy to clean. So that's another big check for me. Another feature is that the baking cups can fit into any standard muffin pan. So that's another big check for me. I have only tried this at a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven, so I cannot confirm if this will hold at a temperature higher than that. So it's something that you'll have to check for yourself. Here are some precautions in using your baking cups. First, don't use your baking cups on direct heat, such as a stove top or grill, because it's going to melt away. Second tip is not to use any sharp or pointed object because it might puncture your baking cups. And the third is, if you want to remove the baking cups from a hot pan, be sure to wear gloves to protect your hands from the heat. So what's my rating for this product? Based from my positive experience using this product, I am going to give this a thumbs up. Thank you for watching our product in focus, and I'll see you again in our next video. Bye!